Right, it's time for a u-sub. So we have the integral of e to the x over 1 plus e to the x multiplied by log of 1 plus e to the x. So naturally, we'll replace 1 plus e to the x with something else. So that's what we'll choose for our u. So we'll let u equal 1 plus e to the x. So we can differentiate that with respect to x. And what do we get? Well, the 1 disappears, and the e to the x just becomes e to the x. So therefore, our du is going to be an e to the x dx, which we can see very nicely on the numerator there. Spot on. So let's replace our x with our u's. So our integral is equal to, well, the top is gone. That's going to be our du. And the bottom then, we're going to have, this thing is going to be just u. And this is log of u. So altogether, we've got du over u log u. Right then, what to do now? We need to do another u-sub. This time though, we've already used u, so we'll call it v. And what we're going to choose? Well, we'll choose the log of u. The reason being is because when we differentiate this with respect to u, we're going to get 1 over u, which you can see is inside our differential there. Our integral even, sorry. So we can rewrite this as dv is going to be equal to du over u. Beautiful. So that's going to pop straight out. Our integral then, we can rewrite all together as, well, our du over u becomes a dv, and our 1 over log u is going to become a 1 over v. So altogether then, we have dv over v. And now then, when we compute this, what are we going to get? Well, we get that I is equal to the natural log of v. We should have plus c, but this is MIT integration b, so we don't need to put that in there. Next steps then, we don't want our answer in terms of v, we want it in terms of x. So we need to kind of do the reverse of our u-subs and our v-sub by stepping back up from the v world into the u world and then back again to the x world. So v is equal to the natural log of u. So let's replace that in here. So I becomes equal to the log of u. And now then, if we replace our u with 1 plus e to the x, we get that I is equal to the natural log of 1 plus e to the x. Beautiful.